And I've got to get a puppy. I've got a puppy.
You get more treats.
Mm.
You get like way more treats. Which is why you didn't get all of your treats in one go.
Yes.
Okay, so on the table.
On the table. Yes, we're off again.
Dad, fancy seeing you here.
And you.
I know, we just happen to be wearing the same outfits.
Yes.
Shocking.
Merry Vlogmas!
Got it right that time. Merry, merry.
Everyone's now counting down the days until you don't stop.
Of course.
Okay, so day 8. Where are we? Oh, there we go, up here.
Oh, okay.
Nearly.
Are you going to help?
There.
Do you want to help? Oh, I smell it. Very fortunate. I can't smell
They
it.
do smell.
Oh.
They do.
What have you got today?
Look, look.
Oh, it's the dark ones.
Oh.
Reminds
They
me
seem
of
to-
a barn. You know when you go in a barn that's got
Oh,
Yeah.
it's a good
cattle feed
chewy
stuff
one.
in it. It's like that.
That was a
Good
good
one.
chewy
He's
one.
only got a few of those.
Oh.
So he's got 2 days worth to sort of sit and he's helping himself.
Oh, he is. From yesterday's.
He's licky tongue.
Can your long licky tongue get them? That's the question. He's having trouble. No. Oh.
I bet they're all gross and
Yeah, we'll get rid of
slobbered
them.
now.
Hey.
Hi, what's this? Yeah, you're a good boy. Everybody's very much enjoying the puppy content.
One more here, and then we're going to do Sean's. Yes. He's a good boy. You're very gentle.
He is much more gentle than Susie was. She was definitely a give me a treat.
Yes. Now.
I have no patience. None whatsoever. There we go, down here.
Sean
Attacking-
has no patience
attacking-
either. She
no,
wants
none.
her.
Yeah,
You
that one.
can't taste 2 chocolates in one day.
I knew you were going to say that.
But I could
Oh,
do a
nut
tasting.
milk.
I could do a tasting for
You
you.
do realise that if we make this, we then have to come back down to do the taste test.
Ah.
But there is a penalty involved in that. I will happily share with you, but you have to.
I'll
come
do
back.
some written notes for you.
I don't think that would be very exciting for a video.
Yeah.
But nut milk, 45% nut milk, which I really like because it tastes like Ferrero Rocher.
Oh,
Right.
Good.
So I'm happy with that one. You can go back on the floor again now, young man. Yes, you can. Yes, you can.
Right.
Come on. He's so confused.
You have to hand it to Klaus. The tarot cards idea wasn't that bad. The path they have shown you feels right. Additionally, you are now travelling at a decent speed. At quite a speed, actually. And in fact, you seem to be getting faster. What's the super speed, Klaus? You shout.
Oh, what do we
it-
shout?
It's not me, he calls
Say,
back.
"Easy."
I'm not in control. Something is pulling us in.
Oh.
Oh,
Well, that's worrying.
he's right. The pull gets stronger and stronger. Then you discover the planet from which the attraction originates.
Dear.
It's that one. Oh no, this is Cubus, the cube planet.
I was
Well, it
just
would
about
be,
to
wouldn't it?
I wonder if it's the Borg.
Klaus shouts in horror. It's super strong. It absorbs everything that comes into its orbit.
Oh.
Klaus appears to be right. Just a fraction of a second later, Cubus swallows you whole.
Oh no.
Nice.
Sad.
You're starting to get fed up with this. The onboard communicator starts humming, flickering, and messages begin to appear. Oh, it's a Rubik Cubus.
Oh, Rubik.
It's a
Cube.
Rubik Cubus.
Oh.
Hello, strangers. Welcome to, or rather in the planet Cubus. If you close the door behind you, you will find yourself inside a cube. The only way to leave this planet is to solve the cube by colour. To do this, you are only allowed to make 2 rotations of 90 degrees each. Think about everything that rotates when you rotate a row or a column of the cube.
Mum's given up.
I
Come on,
hate Rubik cubes.
Okay.
8.
Door 8.
Yeah, I'm always fascinated with these people who can just go,
Yeah.
and it's done.
It's amazing. Oh, the actual entire room is a cube.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
that's good, isn't it?
Yeah. And then we have a riddle card. Above, below, behind.
What does that mean?
I have absolutely no idea. Oh, I don't like these. These make my brain hurt.
No clue.
What are we trying to achieve here?
Yep.
If you are not good at spatial riddles, this one is, and find this one too tricky, no problem. Instead, solve the replacement puzzle. You can find it on the second to last page of the help book. Can we do that instead?
Yeah.
Right.
Right.
Oh! I just happened to turn the book. Sorry. Attacking father. Oh, there's stars on the back there. Okay. Replacement riddle. As usual, you can find clues to the replacement puzzle on the back of this sheet. The small yellow and light blue markings on the page edges will help you fold the sheet to find the correct hint.
So you fold it
The
across
sheet.
there.
Oh, no, that's the clues in the back. It's giving us the answer, how to get the answer without...
What, those?
Yeah.
And those?
Yeah, if we fold that,
Yeah.
and then... Yeah, so it just gives us the clues. Well, that was too simple. Oh, there's the shooting star.
Which constellation are we trying to...
I think that's 6. What have we made there?
Should make one of these.
Yeah.
Well.
Oh, this one.
Yeah.
And then I think it's 0.
How?
Yeah, it is. Look, 0 there.
Yeah. See if that's the correct answer.
Yay! I'm very glad that they decided that that might be beyond some people.
So,
Day 9. Oh, what happens on day 9?
I don't know.
Day 9.
We've done 8.
That was Rubik's Cube was 8.
We did 7 yesterday.
Yes, that's true.
Yeah.
Yesterday.
Yesterday.
Yeah.
So apparently we might need this for
Yeah.
16 as well, which is worrying.
I'm glad we didn't get into the Rubik Cube.
Oh no, my brain would not have coped with that one. Did you enjoy that?
Yep.
Yay.
Good.
The sun is shining.
It is.
What a difference.
So what's your plans for the rest of today?
Well, we're going to have a cup of tea.
Or a hot chocolate?
We're going to...
Walk the dog.
No, we're going to...
Walk the dog.
Oh,
And
okay.
then?
A debrief on the bridge game.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then
Yeah.
I'm going to
We won't
a
talk.
concert this
We won't
evening.
talk about... Are you?
Yes.
Are you talking... You don't ask about the quiz the other night.
Oh.
No.
No,
You
apparently that
needed
wasn't
help.
good.
Yeah.
You needed help.
There was something like
Hi.
16 teams.
Yeah.
Yep.
And Kai just didn't perform.
We came 15th.
Well, at least we didn't get the mushroom.
Normally we're in the top 4.
Normally we didn't get the mushroom.
No.
Mushroom
Apparently
for improvement.
Oh, okay. If you
But
lose,
because
you
we
get
didn't get the mushroom,
Right.
we now can't eat.
Oh, sad.
Oh.
What are we going to have for dinner? If she's abandoning us, or are you having dinner with us?
No, I've got to be there at 4:30.
Oh, Lord. Come on then.
We
Yeah.
We've got things to do.
Yeah, Kai's waiting.
Yep.
Kai's waiting to
Okay,
say
so these guys are going off because they've got
Right.
very busy lives. I'm doing the
Yeah.
thing that I'm not mentioning, but I'm actually kind of loving it now because the computer, oh my gosh, the difference. Then I will hopefully be back a bit later to let you know how many of those videos I've uploaded and are ready to go live.
it's a little
Okay.
too much talking, isn't
Anyway, we will be back tomorrow
Yep.
for more of the same, but with different outfits, theoretically.
Well, maybe.
Okay, bye!
Bye.
Bye.
You are getting a first taste test.
Yeah.
You've got the nut milk.
I don't like the aroma.
Oh no.
It's very different.
For me, it's Ferrero Rocher-esque.
Yeah, it's very light.
Yeah, it's 45% chocolate.
Okay.
I mean, this is
not
good.
my favourite chocolate.
No, you definitely prefer the lighter ones, but you will still enjoy. Good. I'm going to go and have mine.
Yeah, thank you very much.
You're welcome. This is going to be an occupational hazard, isn't it, Iskiaka? This is my chair. I needs it. Please may I have it? No, that's not code for make yourself more comfy. Well, this is the new hangout location. I currently am fighting. Or I was, She just got up as I got up. I'm fighting with Iskiaka, who's now sat, but she's trapped. So yes, it's sunny in here, very sunny in here, but I wanted to do a quick taste test. So, I mean, it's Black Forest Gatto, it's delicious, so of course it is, but I'm gonna, definitely gonna have to work on lighting levels. Haven't got everything fixed on the new setup, but we will get there. Anyway, chocolate was yummy. This is my lunch. No, you've had your lunch. Izzy's decided that this is her chair now. But yeah, I'm eating this. This is not for puppies. I know it's really sad to be you. I'm sorry.
6.5 hours later.
It feels so weird talking to you down here. Oh, no, up here, because down here is down there. I have literally spent the day editing, and I've just given up on the swear editing jar. I'm going to owe it all of the money. But I've been trying to catch up from the couple of days that I had to miss because we were getting everything set up in here. The experience working with a computer that is not lagging and fighting me every step of the way is amazing. I am absolutely loving this thing. So very, 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 very happy with this. I think I've caught up with myself and I think it's all going to go well. It is cold in here, which is why I have like a million layers on, and the lighting in here is not fantastic, but that's something that I will hopefully be improving in February for the live hangouts and stuff, because as you've seen it in the daylight and now you've seen it in the evening. So yeah, definitely not great, but just so much better than this one. Bless her, she has served me well. And I think once because the library that I copied over to the new hard drive has worked perfectly, so I think once I've taken all of that 700 gig of stuff off of here and it has the majority of its hard drive free, I think it's going to be absolutely fine for shopping online, watching videos, and that's really all I use that for other than editing. Fingers crossed this will actually now last me a decent chunk of time. From the research that I've been doing, the next logical upgrade would be to get myself an iPad Pro for the kind of like drawing capabilities of it to add to the videos. That would be amazing, and it is something that I really wanted. Also, just if I got it with the Pencil Pro and a keyboard, the smart keyboard that Apple do to go alongside that, I think it will end up being, it's basically a MacBook Air but the iPad Pro from the looks of things. So that's the next logical thing, but that's, you know, that's a good year away. I love this. I mean, you can see it's like Shanception there going backwards and forwards. It's going to be so much better. Yay. Anyway, literally today's probably been the shortest waffle of the lot, but it has been very productive, which has been really nice. Fingers crossed we'll be back down in the sewing room tomorrow. I'm not going to do a live hangout tomorrow because tomorrow is Sunday. I'm not going to do that yet. I've got lots of sewing that I want to do, and there's a particular project that I need to start that's got to be ready for the 9th of December, which now that I'm at that point I can do it so that I'm not filming it and it won't go out before the 9th of December, so someone won't see the thing that I'm working on. He knows what he's getting, but yeah, a little air of mystery is always good. So I am going to call that a night for now. So I hope you've enjoyed the very little I filmed today, and I will see you all tomorrow back down in the sewing room for another project. I shall see you then. Bye.